917 here, and today we're gonna look for the rare on a Monday for August. Drawing a blank on the date now. 8th? Yes, August 8th, because 7 days. Sorry about that, I just drew a blank on the date. Anyways, so we are gonna look in Epic Wonders first, since we are here in Coral Canyons already. Ooh, they got some, like, nice. Alright, it's not here. So, we are going to go to... Where am I at? Oh, I'm underwater. Whoopsies. I meant Jama clothing, actually. That's what I meant to say. I changed my character. Whatever. It's a crab. Oop. Here it is. It is a rare Summer Hula Skirt. 825 gems in Jama clothing.